today's video, we will study while loop. Loops are used for doing one particular task again and again iteratively. Let's say you want to do one particular task a number of times. Then we should use loops. There are many loops, while loop, for loop, but in today's video, we will study while loop. So, let me take a very simple example. Let's come to Jupyter Notebook and I ask you to print hello. You'll say, okay, fine. You will print hello, right? I will ask you to print hello 5 times. You'll say, okay, no problem. You will copy this and print and paste it 5 times. Hello got printed 5 times. But is this a good smart solution? Well, no. This is not a very smart solution. Okay, you can manage till 5, but how about if I ask you to print hello 100 times? Will you copy and paste 100 times? No, it's not a feasible solution. So, over here, there is one particular task which says print hello. And I want to do the same task again and again 100 times. So, instead of typing print statement again and again 100 times, we will use a loop. A while loop has 3 parts. The first part of the while loop is the initiation. Initiation means the point at which your loop will start. I am starting my loop at I is equal to 1. What is this I? This I is a normal variable. You can take any variable x, y, z, a, b, c, your choice. I have taken I. What is this I? This I is a variable. You can call it a driver variable. This is the variable which is going to run my loop. Now, while loop consists of 3 parts, I said. Initialization means starting, giving a starting value. I have given a starting value at as I is equal to 1. Then comes the condition. This condition says I is less than or equal to 5. And then do you see this colon? This colon means that the while loop statement, the while loop has started, the body of the loop has started. And inside the body of while loop, what have I written? I have written print hello. And after that I have written I plus is equal to 1, which means I is equal to I plus 1. So as I said, there are 3 parts of a loop: initialization, condition and increment. I have initialized this loop as I is equal to 1. My condition says I is less than equal to 5, and then I am saying I plus is equal to 1, which means I is equal to I plus 1. That means the value of I is getting incremented by 1. If I write I is equal to I plus 1, then what am I doing? I am incrementing the value of I by 1 every time. So my loop starts from here. I say I is equal to 1. Then next line, while I is less than or equal to 5. This is a condition. Whenever I have a condition, there are 2 possible options. Either this condition will become true or this condition will become false. Till this condition is true, the body of loop, these 2 lines are body of while loop, will be executed. The moment this condition will become false, these statements will not be executed and we will come out of the while loop. So let's start. I is equal to 1. I is 1. 1 is less than equal to 5. The condition is true. Since the condition is true, it will print hello. It will print hello once. The next line, I plus is equal to 1. That means I is equal to I plus 1. So what is the value of I now? The value of I now is 2. Since it is a loop, you will have to go back. You have to loop. You have to repeat it again and again. So I go back. I is equal to 2. 2 less than equal to 5. What is the condition? The condition is again true. If the condition is true, we will print hello. Again, hello gets printed. Then I plus equal to 1. Again, I is equal to I plus 1. So what is the value of I now? The value of I has become 3. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 3 less than equal to 5. Again, the condition evaluates to be true and hello would be printed once again. Then I is equal to I plus 1. So I becomes 4. Let's go back. 4 is less than equal to 5. Again it is true. So hello gets printed. Then next line, I is equal to I plus 1. So the value of I has now become 5. Again go back. I is 5. 5 less than equal to 5. Still the condition is true. If it is true, execute the body of while. What do I have in the body of while? Print hello. So hello got printed. Then it is saying I plus is equal to 1. So the value of I becomes 6. 5 plus 1 becomes 6. Now again we go back here. 6 less than equal to 5. Now the condition becomes false. The moment condition becomes false, we will not execute the body of while loop. We will come out of the while loop. Let's execute it. So instead of doing this, I will code it. I will code it like this. I is equal to 1 while I is less than equal to 5. While I is less than equal to 5, print hello I plus equal to 1. Do you see? Hello got printed 5 times. What about if I want to print it 10 times? Not an issue. Hello got printed 10 times. So which one do you think is a smart way? Writing print hello again and again, or wisely using a while loop? So this was a short video about understanding how while loop works. Thank you. Thanks for watching.